deities, welcome back to the channel. Happy Tuesday to each and every last one of you. Today I'm sharing with you another Christmas DIY. What you see before you is me trying to split in half this thick clear plastic bowl that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I am using my butcher knife. I turn it into a hot knife by heating it up on my stove, allowing the blade to get extremely hot, and then it cuts through the plastic very dangerous. So if you are under 18, please be sure that you have a parent's permission or supervision to do this part of this DIY. Now, you guys, I'm also going to take one of these silver Dollar Tree charger plates. They have them in silver and gold, usually is what I see the colors at the Dollar Tree. And I am going to turn this plain Dollar Tree charger plate into a beautiful wall sconce for the Christmas. And I'm going to use one of these cute and very festive Christmas picks that you can also get from the Dollar Tree. Now, I did do a DIY previously using some similar picks. Instead, they had the apple on it and the present and the pine cone. And I made some beautiful napkin rings out of them. So be sure to check that video out as well. I will probably link it above in the iCard or down in the description box. So please check that out as well. They will go perfect with this DIY. So I'm going to take this Christmas pick and I'm just going to use the clip that it comes with, and I'm going to clip it onto the top of the charger. Nothing fancy, nothing, that you have to do any major anything with. As you can see, I'm shaking it up and it doesn't move anywhere. Now, for those of you who just like a little bit permeability and you just got to have that hot glue, then I suggest you go ahead and put a little hot glue on the back of the clip and then just sit it down on your charger plate in the fashion that you would like it to be in. So I'm just going to use my clip. I'm not going to use any hot glue. And also on my last DIY, I shared with you guys this mosaic candle holder, or it was a glass holder. I used it to hold pins in, but somehow it broke on the bottom and I didn't want to throw it away. I decided to use the mosaic pieces that are on here since I can't find them in the Dollar Tree anywhere. Right now, my Dollar Tree is not stocked up with them. I have been using the mosaic pieces off of this to do my DIYs. Now, you can find them in the Dollar Tree. Maybe your Dollar Tree may have them in stock. I would try to leave a SKU number for them in the description box so that you can search them on the Dollar Tree website. And also, you guys, be sure to search them on Amazon.com for mosaic tiles. You usually can find them on there as well. So basically, they are adhesive on the back, and you can add a little hot glue to make it permanent if you like to. I've already taken off some and put them on my little dish. You see them sticking down there just because those suckers are pretty hard to get off of that glass jar, y'all. I mean, my fingernails were dying. But so I took a few of them off so I could show you real quick what I'm doing. And all I am doing is applying them down on this charger plate in a row of 2 on either side. And I'm only going halfway down the charger plate. And like I said, you could add some hot glue to it if you want to make it a little bit more permanent. But the adhesive is very sticky, so they're on there. They're not falling off or anything. But I'm going to go halfway down. I'm not doing any fancy design or anything. However, you can if you choose to. So just go on and put 2 rows on either side. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Alright, so when you're done, it should look like something similar to this. Now we're going to take that clear bowl that we used and split it in half in the very beginning. And we're just going to hot glue it down to our charger plate using some hot glue. Okay, so now we have our bowl, half bowl, glued down to our charger plate, and we're going to try to cover up some of that hot glue using these adhesive pieces of bling. So I'm going to take out my adhesive bling, and I'm going to cut a double row of bling and just cover up those side areas where the hot glue is showing. It's optional. It's just that I like for my projects to look as clean and neat as possible. So I am going to go ahead and add a little bit of bling on there to cover it up and also to give it a little bit more glam. So that's what I'm doing now. And you're going to see that I'm also going to add a little bit, oh actually I don't even think I recorded, but I added a little bit of the bling strips to the inside as well, where you saw me add some extra glue just for extra security to make sure that it didn't fall off. So I added some bling in there as well. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to add these gems to the front of the plastic bowl, just to give it some character and to glam it up. This is the His and Her gem garland from Hobby Lobby. You can find it in the wedding section and possibly on their website. It's definitely optional. You don't have to do this part if you don't want to. Alright guys, so I'm going to take some pipe cleaners, and these came from the Dollar Tree. Now you can use whatever you want. You can even use wire, but this is pretty much wire. And I'm going to use it to bend it and make a little hook conjunction so that I can hang it on the wall using a thumbtack. Now you can also use other ways to hang your thing on the wall, but this is how I am going to secure mine. Alright guys, so I've taken these beautiful gems from the Christmas shop that I got from Hobby Lobby. Y'all know that Christmas supply is out, and these Christmas shop gems and crystals are all over the place. They're in the ornament section. So I picked these beautiful ornaments up, and I'm going to use them to dangle one down from the bow part of this DIY using some hot glue, and then I'm going to cover that hot glue up with a little small strip of adhesive bling. Now I want to take my charger and decorate it. Now you guys can decorate any kind of way you want. You could put a mirror there such as this. You could put a picture there, or you could put words there. And I opted for words. I'm going to use my vinyl cutter, which I absolutely love, to cut out some words. And I'm going to decorate the charger with that. Now to decorate my charger place, I am using my vinyl cutter here. It is cutting out some letters that simply says Merry Christmas, and I'm going to apply that down to the charger plate using my transfer tape, which you see me doing here. Now you guys, if you don't have one, don't worry about it. You can use those sticker letters, or you could just put a picture there of some sort, or just don't put anything there. It's up to you. I'm also going to use these LED lights here that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now the colorful ones were from earlier in the year. They may no longer be in stock, so I did take liberty to find something very similar on Amazon, and I will link those down in the description box. So be sure to check out all supplies that will be listed in the description box for you to recreate this DIY if you choose to. I hope that I have inspired you to do so, and you can always change it up and add a little bit touch of you to these DIYs. Thank you so much for watching. You know I appreciate each and every last one of you. I love you all, and I hope that you share this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet done so, and come back for more wonderful DIYs. Until next time, you guys, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.